Hello viewers, welcome today to an introduction to an SME CRM called as vTiger. So before we introduce you to the CRM, let me tell you what are the typical challenges an SME faces. So these are the common challenges which we have researched for the last 14 years and put the top ones for your purview. So the number one challenge what we see is no proper follow-up or delayed response, and then following some of these like multiple points of data entry, managing sales team when your sales team expands more than one branch or region, unable to track payment and invoices, unresolved customer complaint. We see this as the second most challenge. It's also said that when you improve your customer service, automatically you get your sales growth. Then limited manpower, wrong external and internal communication. That is, the founders and the catalyst of the companies have a vision, and when that percolates down to the customers, it changes. Next is losing leads and customers. This is maybe misplacing the visiting cards or the name cards of your customers and prospects, or the salesperson leaves your organization and the data, whatever visiting cards he had or the data he had, it goes with them. So don't worry, with vTiger CRM, you can address all these challenges, and the outcome of that is you can grow your business by an additional 5% when you're in the range of 50 crores in Indian rupees. And if you are SME with lesser than that, we've seen customers having anywhere between a 35% to a 500% growth by implementing vTiger CRM and the processes that we recommend. Now, you take any CRM in the world, including vTiger. These are the three main modules what you have in the CRM: marketing, sales, and customer support and service. Yeah, and in the marketing, you have campaigns, which is inbound or outbound. A campaign can be something like you attended in a trade show, you participated in some exhibitions, or you did some advertisement. And in-house is something like you made a calling, or you sent a mass email or a mass SMS, or any kind of internal communication to your prospects. An outcome of a campaign is you get an inquiry. So this forms part of your marketing. Campaign can also be like social media marketing, like in Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, wherever you're doing your marketing, that's also a campaign. Yeah. And next is the sales module, where in a B2B, you have accounts and contacts, which is account is your customer and contacts are the people within the customers. In a B2C, you only have contacts. And then these are linked to sales deals, which are nothing but the sales opportunities, what you work with your customers. And then this is linked to a lot more functionalities like giving quotations, product master, and whole a lot of things. And then the third most module is the problems and solution, which is after you set your product or solution, customer comes back with your problem or case, which is called in the CRM. So you have a system to track that. And when you solve that problem, how you solve that is the solution, which is a knowledge bank. Now, these are the three main modules. However, vTiger has evolved as a CRM based on the needs of SMEs, because SME said, I don't want to implement a high end ERP. So currently, you also have inventory management in vTiger CRM, which is basically managing your stocks in the inventory, raising a purchase order to your vendor, raising a sales order for your delivery team, raising invoices to your customers. So these all things are there in your inventory module. Project management for service oriented organization to manage your projects, you have a full-fledged project management system. So with this, you would see that most of the needs of an SME are met. However, where you don't have functionalities which is not met in the CRM, it's ready-madely integrated with other applications, like it's integrated with Tally, it is integrated with QuickBooks, it's integrated with Zero. Now it's going to get integrated with MIOB for an application in Australia. So a lot of things are integrated in vTiger, so you can use that in cohesion. Let me now show you the vTiger CRM product, how it looks like at a 40,000 level feet. In order to log into the vTiger CRM, you need to go to vtiger.com, and as you go there, you get this login button. You click on this login button. Like any other application, you just have to put your username and password. This works on a cloud system, so it's very elastic. So you can add as many users as you want, and start with one, and as you're expanding, you can go with elastic. Now, as soon as you log into the system, you would see that you get this three dots. So when you click on this three dots, three lines, you can see that there are different modules available over here. So one is essentials, marketing, sales, help desk, projects and inventory, and service desk, which I mentioned to you. So essentials have all the basic things what you need into the system. Marketing is what I mentioned about, right? Where you have campaigns and you generate leads, you get over here. Sales is the module, where you manage once your lead is qualified, you put them into this place where it's a funnel. So you have all the entities which is related to sales. Help desk is post you sell your product or service. Whatever issues you have cases, solutions, all these are available on this module. Right now, what you see is the version 9 of the vTiger CRM. Also, recently Gartner has put vTiger on the leading quadrant at par with a lot of big CRM companies. So it's a very promising company and with a lot of features and functionalities. Already many of our customers have migrated from their earlier CRM into vTiger CRM. And globally, for the last 15 years, there have been millions of users who are using vTiger's products right from day one. The different products vTiger launched. The version 9 is the latest one. And we ourselves also have migrated to vTiger CRM in the last 3 years. And our users are really enjoying using it. Happy CRMing.